Tara with Simply Made Eats, and welcome back to my channel where I create easy recipes to make your life just a little bit simpler. Today we are making a super easy lunch recipe. It is ground chicken lettuce wraps. These are so good. Check them out. Don't these look delicious? These take about 30 minutes from start to finish. Super easy recipe. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we are going to get started with our sauce, which is going to be 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a half teaspoon of sesame oil. Also added in a half teaspoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of grated ginger, as well as an eighth of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, which you can leave out if you don't like spicy. We're gonna give this a good little whisk. Into our skillet, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna add in our ground chicken. And we're just gonna start breaking this up. If your oil starts crackling like that a lot, you can just turn the heat down a little bit. There's just a little bit of water in this ground chicken, so that's the only reason why it's doing it. And we're gonna cook this for a few minutes, about 4 or 5, until there's no more pink left. Now we're gonna add in our red peppers and our yellow onion. And give this a good stir. And we're gonna let this cook for another 4 or 5 minutes just to get those softened. It is time for our sauce. This is what's gonna make that mixture really, really yummy. I'm gonna kind of just scrape up those brown bits in the bottom too. And then we're gonna let this simmer for just a few minutes and it'll be ready. Okay, so we're all done with our mixture. Now we are gonna build our lettuce wraps. I've got some cilantro cut up, some carrot, some green onion, and I have just some crushed peanuts. Really easy, simple ingredients. It's kind of like a taco, but like a little bit fancier. So I'm just gonna add in some of our filling into my lettuce wrap. My dog has come to visit because he always does. As soon as the food's done, Hank is always in here. You'll probably see his back at some point. He's kind of out of the camera right now, but he is such a beggar. All right, I'm going in with some carrot, some green onion, a little cilantro. And sometimes I like to add a little bit of that sweet chili sauce too to it afterwards. And just some crushed peanuts. This looks so amazing. Okay, so I'm going in for the bite. These are so good. I love little easy meals like this because it's actually healthy for you. And it's so simple to make. Okay, I want one more bite. So they definitely are a little bit messy, but totally worth it. You guys try this recipe. Let me know how it goes in the comments. If there's anything else that you want me to cook, let me know too. I'm always open to suggestions and looking for new ideas. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.